こんにちは、新井です。In lesson 4, you'll learn clock time with movement. In about 5 minutes, you'll be able to talk what time you got a place and get a New Year present at the end of the video. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. You learn the essential expressions, practice speaking, and summarize the grammar points. Today you'll learn how to add a specific time in a sentence in the introduction and practice. This is a revision of the last lesson and tell me the sentence. Tempo is otera. Yes, 今週の土曜日にお寺に行きます。Very good. So we studied days of the week as specific time expression. Today, clock time. It's also a specific time. Now you want to add at 1 o'clock. Then say 1時にお寺に行きます。1時 1 o'clock. Do you remember 1 to 10 from part 1 lesson 7? Now let's learn clock time. Repeat after me. 1時1時2時2時3時3時4時 Be careful, not 4時 Okay? 4時4時5時5時6時6時7時 Be careful, not 7時7時7時8時8時9時 Be careful, not 9時9時9時10時10時11時11時12時12時 Let's check the exceptions. Tell me. 4時7時 and 9時 Well done. It's good to keep in your mind 479 change the reading when it comes to time expressions. It was the same as month and date from part 2 lesson 3. Okay, now, say you go to the cafe at 2 o'clock. Good. 2時にカフェに行きます。Okay, now, 4 o'clock, 陶器市 pottery market. Yes, 4時に陶器市に行きます。9 o'clock, 会社。9時に会社に行きます。6 o'clock, うち。6時にうちに帰ります。7 o'clock, バー。7時にバーに行きます。Saturday 7? Yes, 土曜日の7時にバーに行きます。Do you remember belonging, no? From part 1 lesson 10? 7 o'clock belongs to Saturday. 土曜日の7時 Okay? Now I know you want to say more. This is 1時半 1時半 Tell me this. Yes. 4時半 4時半 7:30? Yes. 7時半 7時半 9:30? Yes. 9時半 9時半 How about this? Yes. 12時半12時半 Well done. Okay, now let's ask what time. For example, I will ask you 何時にホテルに行きますか? Do you remember 何曜日 from the last lesson? So just use 何 for asking what. Let's say 7:30. Go. 7時半に行きます。Well done. Now I wonder AM or PM? Before noon is 午前. Afternoon is 午後. Often students mix up these two, so memorize by saying 午前 because people tend to be quiet in the morning, and go because people tend to be more active in the afternoon. Okay, say 7:30 a.m. in Japanese. Now let's think about the word order. Do you remember Japanese people see things from the bigger picture to more specific things? The word order is the same. So you say, Yes, 午前7時半に行きます. Excellent! Now let's summarize the lesson. The structure of specific time に destination に行きます、来ます、帰ります. We focused on clock time today. And its question, 何時? Okay? Now do you want to be a better Japanese speaker? Learning Japanese is like learning football and guitar. The next step is lots of practice. Practice is essential. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. Now, New Year present for you. Get my learning tips from araiacademy.com/free learning tips. See the description box below. In lesson 5, let's talk how often you went to a place. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.